Hi everybody, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. It's Jen and I'm going to show you how I made this colorful patchwork cake from my Disney Coco cake. Okay, just like always guys, if you need any tools or supplies you see me using, if you check the description below, it'll have a link that should bring you to a bunch of choices that should be able to help you out. Okay, now I'm going to first start with this little snippet here of making orange gum paste flowers. I'm making them out of gum paste so I could let them dry and they'll harden. And I'm using just this stamp set that I have. I'm making 3 different sizes to give the marigold impressions. And I know they're not marigolds, but it still looks pretty cute. You just stick your little piece in that you cut out, you press it down with your plunger, and it comes out nice, right? There you go. So put those aside, let them dry. Now for the cake itself, I had dirty iced it with just some white icing, white buttercream, stuck it in the fridge so it was nice and firm. And then I mixed up a bunch of different colors. I have my teal, orange, yellow, pink, and purple. A lot of the cakes that you'll see for Coco are usually done in black, and if they do have color, they'll do it in purple with like little orange flower accents. You probably have seen it a lot. And my client specifically said they wanted color. So what I did is I just took all those different colors of icing and patchworked them together as best I could without smearing them all over the cake. So I've got different spots, different colors. I'm taking my orange flowers that hardened and putting them all around the top. I'm going to leave, there you go, you can see in the center. I'm leaving the center a little bit open there. I'm taking some of my icing. I've put them into a bunch of bags and used any really different shaped tip that I had, different size tip. I was trying to get a lot of variation here, and I am just creating a border between my colors. Doing a patchwork cake like this and not being allowed to just smear and blend them together, it kind of is hard to do. So I had messy borders and I figured I'll just hide them with more color, right? So like I said, I'm using my different tips, making different little patterns along the edges and the seams just to kind of, I don't know, make it look better. And the idea of using all these colors is to base it off of the spirit animals that were in the spirit world from the movie. They were very colorful. They had just all kinds of designs and patterns on them. Nothing, there was no rhyme or reason. It was just if it's colorful and bright and cool looking, stick it in there. So that's what I'm trying to recreate here. Going for my colorful cake. So I had my pink, my pink patch there. I put some yellow just circle dots on there, put a little purple star tip in the center, and there you go. And as you can see on the purple, I've got little loop-de-loos. That's the official name of those designs there. This pink one, I'm doing blue, I don't know, caterpillar looking things with yellow dots. I'm making a bunch of pink letter C's that are laying on their side. And then I'm like, oh, that needs more color. Why not add some teal? Yeah, there you go, right? And now I did look at the pictures of the spirit animals, the different ones and the different patterns, and I tried to get the feel of it. I didn't copy them exactly because I got to say some of them were pretty darn intense, and some were kind of basic too. I don't know. I just put it together however I felt like. So for this one, I decided to do triangles, a little geometric pattern going, and then I'm like, oh, add color, little rosettes, little mini rosettes there. And then I did it all the way around, and then I'm like, you know what? We should add more color, right? So then throw some purple in there. There you go. Stick a little bit here and there, and yeah, just keep going. Keep filling it in. If you have repeating patches like I did, the teal there has the little pink letter S's, so I just went ahead and did it on the same side. You can do that if you want. You don't have to, but I tried to incorporate 3 colors at least into every pattern, and it made it very colorful, very festive. Put your little Miguel, check out that video if you want to learn how to make him, hint hint, on top, and you've got a really good cocoa cake. It's not dark and dreary, this is fun and festive. So I hope you find this quick little video helpful. Please like and subscribe, I find that helpful, and thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes.